adjuster for JTech, I'm going to go over how to do a brake job and jump brakes. So first thing we got to do is take off the jump. Sometimes you have to wiggle it and then it comes right off. So this particular setup, there's just a spring, an adjuster, and a clip to move the adjuster so as the shoes wear down, they'll get spread out more and it'll keep it so there's always tension. And then there's this U spring, that spring type assembly that keeps the shoes together so that when they release the brakes, it'll come back on. So first thing we're going to do is remove the spring. Just take me in those pliers. Pull it off. Like that. And from there, loosen the adjuster so you can get it out of the way. This will be easy to get on now. Why would you do that? Got this out of the way. As you can see, it's already down. Makes it a lot easier to get it out of off the vehicle. From here, you have to get these out. Now I can use flathead for these kind because you just stick it in here. Tighten up. Squeeze off the snap. Do the same to the other side. The shoe comes off. Take this off. And then you just take this out by pulling it and push it down. Should be able to get that like this. Pocket brake is on. It could be a little bit hard to get this cable. And then that's it. The shoes are off. We got the drum resurfaced. So now we're going to be reassembling the drum assembly, and in which case we got to put the shoes on. So the first thing with this kind is you feed this through the cable. Like so. Just feed it through enough. Tilt it and go right on like that, and that's good. This part on this particular one is going to go up here. As you notice, for the parking brake, it goes in the back there. This piece mounts on the bottom here. There's a little bracket attached to the backing assembly that holds pressure there. And you just gotta take these. This is the hardest part. Pull it over, back into the hole. So make sure it's centered on the cylinder there. And that sounds good. Then get the other shoe, the other one. Alright, there we go for that. And take this, and it's got the shorter sides here. You want to make sure those are going inside. So you take it, push onto these two grooves here. Might need a hole. Those assemblies. You actually pull the shoe out a little bit and get it in place. It's in place. Yeah, good to go. Even. You got the adjusting assembly here. Slides on right there. And you take this. Where I take the nose, I can easily get it right back on. Just by grabbing it tightly and then pulling it back on. Okay, now that we got the drum off and we got it set up on the lathe, we got to resurface it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn it on and get it squared up. So to move it forward, we use this. And then we want to get this just in it, and then we'll bring it so it's just touching. That. Then we lock this. Then we got to take it all the way to the end. And we do that with this one. And once we get it to the end, we just got to take this and we got to bring it in about 3,000ths of an inch. On this, each one of these markers is 2,000, so we just got to move it 3,000ths inwards, which should be right there. Once we do that, zero this down. Then we go to the measurement for the type of cut we want. The lower the number, the smoother of a cut it's going to be. We want to get it to about 8. It's normally good. And then once this is locked, we just hit that, and it'll push the drum out, which then it'll cut it all the way back. And then we just wait. If you start to hear any like loud chattering or jumping, then that means okay. Now that it's done, we'll just have to put it back on the vehicle. Belt has come off of it. If the belt comes off of it, then we got to stop, go back and redo it. If not, it's going to be jumping and it's going to give a bad cut. Okay, now that we have the drum resurfaced, we're going to put it back on the vehicle. So we're going to line them up. This should be good as it is, but if it is loose, then you just want to do the adjustment on